In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create also knowledge base articles in Zendesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished article that's easy for customers to find and follow, from opening the Help Center to publishing your content live. Start by opening Knowledge, also known as the Help Center. This is the hub where all your customer-facing articles live, and it's where you'll manage and organize your knowledge base. You'll find it in your Zendesk workspace navigation. Once you're in the right place to build helpful, searchable content. Next, select Add and then choose Article. This opens a clean editor where you can draft your piece. Think of this as your content canvas, complete with tools for writing and formatting so you can focus on clarity and structure without distractions. Before you write, choose a section for your article. Sections group related topics and help readers browse by need. Placing your article in the correct section improves discoverability, keeps your help center tidy, and guides users to the right information faster. If you're unsure, match the section to the problem your article solves. Now enter your title and content. Write a clear, action-oriented title that reflects the task or question your article addresses. In the body, aim for short, straightforward sentences that walk the reader from problem to solution. Explain the what, the why, and the how, and keep your tone consistent and helpful. If your process has multiple parts, keep each idea focused and sequential so readers can follow along without backtracking. Consider including the outcome at the end of critical explanations so users know what success looks like. Use formatting to make your article scannable and engaging. Apply headings to break content into logical sections. A strong introductory heading followed by meaningful subheadings helps readers jump to the part they need. Add images to illustrate interfaces or key actions and keep them clear, cropped, and readable. Include descriptive alternative text so images remain accessible. Where it helps, link to related articles, reference materials, or definitions, and write link text that tells readers exactly what they'll get when they click. Maintain a consistent style across headings, captions, and links so your article looks professional and is easy to navigate. When everything looks good, click Publish to make it live. Your article will appear in the Help Center under the section you selected, ready for customers and teammates. You can always return to update the content as products evolve, keeping your knowledge base accurate and trustworthy.